Hey guys, it's Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. Today's video is my monthly ipsy unbagging, unboxing, whatever you guys like to call these videos. So of course today is my June 2020 ipsy bag and it's so hard to believe that we are halfway through this year already, and I'm sure so many of us can agree that it feels like this year has pretty much been wasted and it's basically the worst year ever. But at least we're halfway through at this point, and then we can, in 6 months, start completely fresh with a brand new year and hopefully a much better year that doesn't feel so wasted. At least I'm still able to bring you guys content and of course bring you guys my monthly ipsy videos. If you'd like to subscribe to ipsy, be sure to check out the link down in the description box below. I'll have my referral link down there. As always, you guys know I really appreciate it when you use my link to sign up for ipsy. I'm really excited to also show you guys what is inside my ipsy bag for the month of June. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into this video. So I want to talk about the bag design before we get any further into this unboxing, unbagging, whatever. This month on the website they were really talking about how they wanted to make this bag feature a wide variety of diversity of body type. However, I'm sure you guys can guess where I'm going at with this. I am of course disappointed in the representation on this ipsy bag. I really like where they're headed in the direction, but you don't have true diversity in my opinion when you don't include women with physical disabilities in advertising or modeling alongside women without physical disabilities. I am really sad to not see that type of representation on an ipsy bag when they talk so much about diversity of body types in this month's bag. Disability isn't represented here. Physical disability isn't represented here whatsoever. As I always mention, true diversity and inclusion is when you include people with physical disabilities and without physical disabilities. Not one or the other, but both. Ipsy, I really like the direction that you're going, but if you're looking to change the face of beauty as far as women with physical disabilities, I'm your gal. I'd love to be a part of it and be part of the change in the beauty industry. If any of you from ipsy are watching or listening, just know that I would love to be that one and be part of the change for young women with physical disabilities in the beauty industry. Once that occurs, that will be true diversity. So those are my thoughts on the bag design this month. Other than that, it is a really cute bag. It is very summery and just gives off that summer vibe, even though we're not able to do anything this summer. But hey, it's a really cute bag and definitely gives off those summer vibes. I first want to talk about two products that were included in my ipsy bag as part of my ipsy bag but didn't fit in the actual bag and were included in the bubble mailer. Wow, that was like hard to explain for some reason. So of course we have two sheet masks here, and you can probably imagine how excited I am about that or lack of. I have no idea why I have been receiving a plethora of sheet masks in my ipsy bags the past year, honestly. I don't know why. I always rate them low. I always say that I don't like sheet masks. I always put in my quiz that I hate sheet masks. I always state that, and for some reason I'm always receiving these in my ipsy bags lately. These are by the brand of Vet. I think that's how you say it, but the rest of the packaging is in a foreign language. But these are the Daily Fresh Squeeze face masks. I included two of these, so this one looks like it's coconut and something. I'm not sure what this one is. Probably like, it looks like a berry type of scent. So I'll be passing these along to some friends that enjoy face masks more than I do, because you guys know I hate sheet masks. I really don't like them. The theme this month is Make Waves, and this is the card. A few months ago, they started doing cards with the products that you receive in your ipsy bag and a description about the retail price and whether it was considered deluxe size or sample size or full size. They quit doing that last month, and I thought it was just a fluke, but I guess it is a permanent thing again. The description and product list is no longer included in these cards. I know I'm not the only other creator and ipsy subscriber that enjoyed when they did that with the card and included that information, and also it was really helpful for me when doing these videos for you guys to give you more information, but unfortunately it looks like that is a thing of the past again. can. The next product in my Ipsy bag is by the brand #INM, and this is the Velveteen Dream Shadow. This is in the shade Queen Bee. I actually have a makeup brush from this brand that I received at the Ipsy Live event. We were able to customize our own glam bag, so they had like a whole section of products that we could put 5 products, or they had like almost like this buffet style where we could take a glam bag and fill it with 5 products to choose from, and there was probably like 15 different products to choose from, and that was one of the products that I chose, was the makeup brush, and I really love it. It's really high quality, so I'm excited to test out this shadow. Definitely my type of shade, a nice classic nude color. Here's what the product looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys, of course. Ooh, it's really smooth. So here's what the shadow looks like. It's super, super light. I think it would be really pretty for a lid color, so I'll have to give it a try on my lids, but this is really just a pretty color and perfect for summer. It also feels very light. I know that's kind of random for an eyeshadow, but it just feels like it won't be heavy on my lids. Really can't go wrong with one of these staples in your collection. I'm excited to be adding this product to my collection. The next product that I received in my June 2020 Ipsy bag is by Cake Beauty, and this is the Milk Made Totally to Die For Velveteen Hand Cream, and this is the Candied Oat Milk Cream, dry, skin soothing, and beautifying. I'm not a fan of Cake Beauty, to be honest. I received a PR package from them last year. They asked to send it to me, and I said sure, because I like trying new brands. Well, it was new to me. It's not a new brand, but new to me, and I tried. They sent over like a bunch of their hair products, and I really didn't like it. The smell is really weird. It just smells very fake. I don't use hand creams a lot. My hands don't get very dry, so I never use hand cream, and if I do, it's a unscented one. I'm going to be passing this along to somebody that would enjoy this more than I would. Not to mention, I'm not a fan of the ingredients in this product. However, it is cruelty-free, so that is good, but ingredient-wise, again, this is not up my alley. The next product that is in my Ipsy bag is by Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm smiling because you guys know how much I love Benefit. I love their packaging. I love the quality of their product. This is the 24-hour Brow Setter, 24-hour Invisible Shaping and Setting Gel for brows, and I actually chose this as one of my products. Ipsy now has a system where Glam Bag subscribers have been around for a while. Ipsy Glam Bag subscribers can now choose one of their 5 products from a selection of products. When I saw a Benefit product, I snatched it right up, and I love my clear brow gels. I just think it helps set my brows so well, so I had to choose this as one of my 5 products when I saw it as one of my options to select, and I was like, yes, I get so excited about Benefit products. Again, the packaging is so cute. I go through brow gels really fast. I fill in my eyebrows every time I wear makeup, but I just feel like brow gels are a product that goes really fast. Like, you use up really fast, so that's another reason why I chose this. But here's what the spoolie looks like. It seems like very nice quality. I will say I'm gonna have to look into maybe how to use, not how to use the brow gel, because I obviously know how, but the shape of this wand is very different than what I'm used to for a brow gel. I'm just gonna look into how others are applying it to make sure that I do it right. So happy to have this because I love Benefit products, and when I could choose that product, I was like, yes, please. This is a total win for me this month. The last product in my June 2020 Ipsy bag is by the brand Sugar Cosmetics, and this is the Matte as Crayon Lipstick. This is in the shade Stephanie Plum, it looks like. This is a bit disappointing. Not great for summer. This is definitely a fall color. I'm really surprised they included this in the Ipsy bag because it is not a summer shade at all, as you can tell from the lip color I'm wearing today. These are more appropriate shades for summer. I mean, obviously you can wear whatever lip color you want in whatever season, but I tend to rotate my lip colors with the seasons, and this is definitely a fall and winter lip color. I would not wear this in the spring and summer. I'm really bummed because I like this product, and I like this company, and their products are really high quality. This isn't a shade that I'll wear right away. I'll have to wait until the fall and winter to wear this. I will add it to my collection of products to try in the fall and winter. I would have liked to see a more summery lip color in my bag though, so that was a bit disappointing because now I can't enjoy it right away. I mean, I could, but I just don't wear those lip shades in the summer. So that is everything in my June 2020 Ipsy bag. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, these were my 3 favorite products for this month. The brow gel, the lip color, and the eyeshadow. I wouldn't normally include this lip color because I can't wear this right away, but I do really like Sugar Cosmetics and I love the quality of this product, so I know I will eventually get a lot of use out of it once the appropriate season comes around. I do wish they included a more summer appropriate lip color to go along with the month and the season, but this Ipsy bag was okay. It was a lot better than previous months. I've had a couple rough Ipsy bags, but this one was alright. Let me know what you received in your Ipsy bag this month if you are subscribed, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. All the links will be down in the description below. Subscribe to Ipsy as well as all the individual products that were featured in my Ipsy bag. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!